Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by assembling everything Premiere needs to open your project elsewhere. First, save the PR proj and create a clear folder with all linked media. This avoids offline files. Once done, copy fonts, third-party plugins, and any LUTs into subfolders so the recipient can install or point Premiere to them. Make sure sequence settings and frame rates are noted. That prevents mismatch later. This step speeds transfer and reduces confusion when someone else opens your project. You'll now package the project using Project Manager so all assets travel with the PR proj. Open File Project Manager, select the sequences you want, then choose Collect Files and copy to new location to gather media into one folder. If storage is tight, trim unused media or choose to exclude preview files. However, keep previews if render consistency matters. Finally, set the destination drive or shared folder and click OK. This creates a tidy folder ready to compress or finish by compressing the collected folder and transferring it by cloud, shared drive, or physical disk. Include a checksum or size note so the receiver can verify integrity. Once uploaded, share exact folder paths and any install steps for fonts or plugins. If the recipient reports offline media, instruct them to use Media Browser or the link media/locate workflow to relink files to the collected folder. If sequence settings differ, adjust interpret footage or sequence settings to match the original.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.